going to go and pick out some wonderful green things for me to eat. I actually like, so I prefer when eating, or should say I'm preparing food for myself, I should say, and then cooking, whether it's salad, I like the Placenta kale. I like it. But honestly, when I'm juicing, I prefer the curly leaf kale. So I'm going to get this. It's nice and vibrant and green and electric. And I'm just going to put this right in my basket. Actually, I'm going to get 4 of them. Are they on sale? I don't know. You know, whether they're on sale or not, I still have to get it. So I'm going to grab about 4 of these. And then I'm going to get some cucumber as well. Cucumber has a lot of vitamins in it. And also, I didn't mention that you really have to pay attention to what kind you get. I like getting the organic cucumbers, and I don't see any. Oh, here's some organic baby cucumbers. Okay, so here's the an organic cucumbers, and I always make sure I get the ones with the seeds in it and not the ones without. So I'm going to grab some of these. Okay, so I'm getting cucumber now. Actually, I thought I had the seedless ones, but the ones with the seeds, but I grabbed the seedless ones. So I'm going to grab these beauties right here. So I'm going to grab 4 of these. And I'm also going to get some limes. Okay, so I wanted to get some limes, but the ones they have are the conventional ones. They're grown in Mexico. They're not organic, they're conventional ones, and they don't have the seeds in it. So I don't think key lime are available just yet. They may not be in season, but so I'm just going to hold off on getting the limes, and I'm just gonna have to opt for something else. Okay. Now I'm gonna grab some fennel. I love fennel, not just for cooking. Get back there, parsley. But I love fennel, It has a really nice, the bulb here has a really nice crispy texture to it, sort of like celery. But if you ever had anything that tastes like licorice, like or maybe star anise, it has a very licoricey taste. A little herbaceous, but very licoricey, and it's really good. And I love the fennel seeds. And fennel seeds, if you know if you've had fennel seeds, because that's the one ingredient that makes a sausage, especially Italian sausage variety, taste like Italian sausage. It really complements mushrooms. And actually, I make an oyster mushroom sausage, quote unquote sausage, vegan. So yeah, just subscribe to my channel, and you'll see that posted on this coming Monday. But yeah, I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna actually get 4 bulbs or 3 bulbs. That's not a big one. I like the nice big ones. So here's 1, that's 2, 3, and I think I'm gonna get 4, just for good measure. I forgot to add that the fennel is really, really good for skin. And as you know, I'm still cleansing my skin, cleansing my body, which will affect my skin. So fennel is really, really good. If you're having any issues, any breakouts or whatever on your skin, it's usually due to toxicity in the blood, and especially in the liver. But this is a great vegetable to add to your juices. Now, I'm also going to grab some turmeric. This is fresh turmeric. This is a cancer prevention root, which is really good. It's great for cleansing the blood, great for the liver, great for detoxing the blood. I'm going to grab some of this. I did say everything was going to be green, but this is the one thing that I do add to my juices when I'm doing a fast. And in addition to that, I like to put in tarragon. Tarragon is really a great, you know what, in the United States, we don't really focus on a lot of the herbs here. Look at all of the herbs, and this doesn't even scratch the surface But we tend to forget about the herbs. We'll use some Lorry seasoned salt or maybe some garlic and onion powder or pepper and salt, but sometimes we think that's all there is. But these have wonderful, wonderful cleansing properties. I mean, the herbs and the greens are for the healing of the nations, and we tend to overlook them. If we use like herbs and spices, we don't really need a lot of those seasoned salt combinations that we typically use. Okay, so I think that's about it. I am on my way out. All right, how's it going today? I'm doing my YouTube video. Just showing everybody what I put into my fasting juice.
Oh, okay.
So everybody say hello to Kelly. Oh yeah, yes. So I did find everything. Okay, thank you. So I have my kale, I have my fennel, I have my cucumber. I already have turmeric, and yes, I already have my turmeric and my, I have a bag. I'm sorry, I should have told you that.
That's okay.
I always bring my bag, by the way, people. Just be kinder to the earth. Less waste. Bring your own shopping bag. Someone actually gave this to me when I worked for corporate America, so I love it. Okay, so I am done with my shopping at Whole Foods, and that was $34.97. Now you may be thinking, oh my gosh, that is so much. But when you think about it in terms of health, as I was saying, when you think about it in terms of health, you're never paying too much when you're investing in yourself. Like for me, I used to be crazy about clothes and shoes and makeup, and it's part of the culture when I was working in corporate America. But for me now, and I still like those things, but I don't invest a lot of money in those things now. I rarely spend time at the malls anymore because I'm just so focused into wellness and teaching other people how to be well. So this to me is a very small investment. Now I will come and restock for the rest of the week while I'm doing my cleanse. But I've set aside money to do this, to be well, because I always say you either pay on the front end or you pay on the back end, and I'd rather just pay on the front end. This is called preventative care, and so I want to make sure that I'm doing everything to take care of my body so that I am not susceptible to any diseases, any illnesses, any discomfort that's out there. I want to make sure that I'm balanced. So I don't mind paying for food. I don't mind paying for herbs. I'm not paying hundreds of dollars for my herbs and my spices that I usually get in bulk. And I'll do another video just to show you what I use on a daily basis. But again, I'd rather invest my money there than invest my money into doctors and dermatologists and dentists like I do now. I do go, for my little tune-up or checkup, just to make sure that I'm on track. But I don't want to spend all my money there. I don't want to invest into, that business. So anyway, I'm on my way home. I'll be making my juice. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a video of me showing how I make the juice, but you saw all the ingredients. You just juice them up and just drink it. Okay, so I will talk to you later. See you in the next video. Bye.